Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Cadillac XT5 Platinum Edition. It comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as heated and cooled leather seats, dual paint sunroof, trailer tow package, frontal collision alert, rear cross path detection as well, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, you're gonna have this black leather and gold carbon trim here. It's gonna have that chrome finish on the door handle. It's also gonna come equipped with power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows, as well as your mirror memory. You're also gonna have a Bose premium speaker sound system throughout the vehicle. Of course, you control your rear liftgate just right there as well. You have this LED Cadillac badging there as well. And of course, you're gonna have the power adjustable heated and cooled seat. It's gonna come equipped with that little Cadillac badging there as well. All right, moving on to the interior, of course, it's going to come equipped with your heads-up display, which is quite invisible right now. Moving on to the steering wheel, you're going to have that gold trim again. Of course, you're going to have your cruise control and as well as your voice recognition on the left side. And onto the bottom, you're going to have your lane keep assist, your forward collision alert, and your heated steering wheel. On the right side, you're going to have your selection controls as well as your volume control. And behind, you're going to have two paddles here for when you go into manual mode. Of course, you're gonna have the classic analog and digital speedometer here. Moving on to the center console here, you're gonna have your climate control there as well. And of course, moving on to the infotainment system here, it's gonna have touchscreen, of course, OnStar is included, projection, as well as your other apps, traffic, and your rear climate, and your cameras as well. You're gonna have the classic BMW-like shifter, but it is the Cadillac shifter as well. Of course, you're going to have different drive modes as well as a wireless charging pad there as well, and an extra storage and two USB ports. Of course, it's going to have that same finish on the passenger side there as well. Same with the doors and the speaker. And you have that carbon trim all through the dash there. And as well as you're going to have the classic digital and regular rear view camera, as well as your OnStar, and of course you control your dual pane sunroof as well. All right, you're gonna have these 20-inch aluminum wheels here as well. You're also gonna have that monochrome badging with the paint match mirror cap and white and chrome keyless entry door handles as well. It's also gonna have the luggage rack in the back. Of course, your chrome badging there, as well as your chrome dual exhaust. Just on the side, you're going to have the hands-free liftgate. Of course, in the back here, you're going to have the little extra lights, an extra 12-volt DC port, and as well as extra wheel well storage as well. Very spacious rear. Okay, moving on to the rear, we're going to have that same finish here with lots of extra paneling storage. You're going to have that gold carbon trim right on the bottom. You're gonna have lots of extra legroom as well as storage just behind the passenger and driver's seat, as well as you're gonna have rear heated seats and your ventilation control as well. You're gonna have two USB ports and there's a little extra storage compartment right there. And of course, right in the middle, you're gonna have your cup holder and armrest right there. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2019 Cadillac XT5 Platinum. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as forward collision alert, lane keep assist, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as projection, OnStar. It's going to have 360-degree camera and as well as front and rear cameras as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We hope you subscribe and hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.